Welcome to day 9 of our main challenge. Fam, you're not sore, but you still feel off, like you've been holding your breath all night. Let's reset your body and your nervous system through breath, spine, and space. Let's hit the mat. When your body forgets how to breathe, this flow brings it back to life. Start in child's pose, knees wide, big toes together, arms long in front. Inhale and shift forward, lowering the hips, lifting the chest into cobra. Exhale, press back into child's pose. Repeat with control and breath. You're going to feel a gentle opening through the spine, shoulders, and belly. A wave of movement that reconnects your breath and body. This back and forth flow resets your nervous system and mobilizes the spine. I promise you'll feel more awake and less heavy in just 1 minute. This motion you feel, we're about to fine-tune it with cat-cow. Hold your cobra for 5 seconds. Just breathe into the chest. Are you flowing with intention or just going through the motion? That just rebooted your breath. Now let's unlock your spine. Your spine sets the tone for your posture, energy, and mindset. Come onto all fours, rest on the shoulders and knees and hips. Inhale, arch the back, lift the chest and tailbone. Cow. Exhale, round the spine, tuck the chin, cat. Repeat slow and steady. You're going to feel flexion and extension rippling through every vertebra. Movement initiated from the breath. Cat-cow wakes up your nervous system and primes your posture for the day. I promise it's more than mobility, it's nervous system recovery. This rhythmic motion stimulates spinal fluid flow, boosting clarity and focus. Deepen the round and arch. 5 more seconds, full breath. Can you feel where your back resists the movement? That's where you breathe next. That just opened your spine. Now let's unroll your shoulders. If you sleep curled up or sit all day, this one's for you. Stay kneeling or seated tall. Interlace your fingers behind your back. Press your fists down and lift your chest to the sky. Keep the chin neutral or slightly tucked. You're going to feel a deep opening across your chest and shoulders, a release from neck tension. This reverses the daily hunch, resetting your posture and improving your breath. I promise you'll feel instantly taller and more present. We're heading to the hips next, but shoulder release makes it possible. Can you press your fists 1 inch further down your back? Hold for 5. Are you opening your chest or forcing your shoulders? That just released the front body. Now let's shift into the hips. Tight hips don't just dull your movement, they still your energy. Sit with knees bent, feet flat, hands behind you for support. Drop your right knee towards your left foot, then come back to center and switch sides. Move slowly and fluidly for 1 minute. You're going to feel a deep stretch through the hip capsule, a gentle reset of pelvic alignment. Internal hip rotation is key to joint health and pelvic stability. I promise this unlocks mobility most people ignore. This move can relieve lower back pain by improving hip alignment. Can you drop the knees lower with control? 5 seconds on each side. Are your glutes lifting or staying grounded as you rotate? That just realigned your hips. Now let's lengthen the whole line. We end with surrender, length through the spine and softness through the breath. Sit tall with legs extended straight out. Inhale, reach arms high. Exhale, hinge from the hips and fold forward. Let your spine round naturally. You're going to feel a stretch through the hamstring, spine, and back body. A grounding sensation with each exhale. This final stretch decompresses the spine and seals in everything we just opened. I promise you'll feel 5% more peaceful by the time you stand up. If your mornings stay this grounded, your entire rhythm shifts. Lengthen your spine 1 inch more, then soften. Final 5 seconds. Are you holding tension or finally letting go? That just seals your morning reset. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind. It shows up in your habits. It drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pin comment to start your free 3-day reset now, because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.